This has been a very exciting year for me. I've been the president of the Texas Association of School Administrators. It's about 3,500 members in that organization. Makes up all the superintendents in the state, and then a lot of assistant superintendents and directors that have joined that group. The real exciting thing for me is the Texas Association of School Administrators in the past has been an organization that provides some training, information, help to school districts or superintendents who need things, some legal advice. Very much an organization that sits back and just kind of deals with the needs of its constituents. In the past couple of years that I've been involved, we have become more of an advocacy group. And we have adopted as the organization the goals and the tenets in the creating a new vision for public education in Texas, that everything that we do is involved in that work. All the conferences that we have, all the training that we have is based around the work of the group of original 35 superintendents, which we were an integral part. So we now, if you pick up a paper and start reading about educational issues, you're very likely to hear quotes coming from the Texas Association of School Administrators, because now we have become the advocates. And really, when I look back and think that we had abdicated our leadership role in the state as superintendents, we've now captured that back through TASA and the things that we've done. And now people look to us for questions and answers about what we should be doing in the future, and they're looking at Coppell ISD about how we are transforming these schools to prepare our kids.